Hello, I'm Svitek, 360 Creative Coach, and a major update in my life is that I have completed my latest feature film called A Bogota Trip. That's right, this thing that you've probably heard me talk about if you have been following me is fully complete. It is done, and now it is ready to be seen by the world. And it was a sprint to get to the finish line and a lot of hard work on multiple people's ends to get it there, which I will of course talk about, and hopefully that'll help you in your creative journey as well. I promise I will do that. I will do a very long episode about all that. But right now, I just wanted to kind of make that announcement. Also, in that same way, if you've been wondering why you haven't seen as much post from me in the past month, that is the reason. I've been, single-minded on just getting this thing over the finish line and completed. It is now officially done, and the premiere screening is in LA June 20th as part of the Marina Del Rey Film Festival. It premieres at 7:30, so June 20th at 7:30. That's a Monday night at the Cinemark at the Howard Hughes Center. Tickets are available. The link is tinyurl.com/abogota-trip. That's tinyurl.com/abogota-trip. And I would love for you to come, you, your friends, your family, anyone you can think of. When you get to the page through the link, because it's the festival, it'll have all these other movies there as well. Just search for A Bogota Trip, and then you can get tickets to our screening that way. So yeah, it should be a very fun night. I'm very proud of this movie, not just because of the hard work that I put in, but because of the amazing talent on display, both on screen as well as behind it, from everyone involved. So it promises to be a very special night for everyone involved, and we would just love for you to be a part of it. And like I said, I will share the final month of that journey to completion, because there's a lot to tell there that I think, especially as a filmmaker, I think you will enjoy. So thank you so much. I appreciate you and hope to see you there.